What's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of January, 2023. Let's talk about Bitcoin Cash real quick. I did a video for Bitcoin Cash on the 9th of January. Did an update video for you all. Still telling you that I was looking for the price in Bitcoin Cash to go up. So congratulations to those who also predicted the same thing. At least you had 10% out the market on the 12th of January. Now, if you were to get out the market right now in Bitcoin Cash, your profitability has increased to 20%. Now, let's talk about this. Now, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to elevate this resistance area to where the market first, or at least most recent place of resistance. So we're going to lift this up just a little bit higher to look at how price is getting rejected at this particular area, which is around $128.50. Okay, so that's where the market currently is. That tells us where sellers are at. Now, we're still trending higher though. Okay, now should we expect price in Bitcoin Cash to come down to this ascending line? Or do you think that it's going to break this ascending line and come all the way back down to 96 to where this trading channel support area is? Which one do you think is more logical to occur? You think we're going to come down and break the trend line and come all the way back down to support? Or do you think Bitcoin Cash is going to come in, hit this ascending line and continue to break out and go higher? That's the current options that's on the table right now in Bitcoin Cash. Let's go ahead and look at this on a 2-weekly chart. First of all, let me zoom out. And I do like what occurred over the last 2 weeks in Bitcoin Cash. It just seems to me like right now the market's going through some selling. We're expecting a small move to the downside. But looking at this from a 2-weekly chart, this 2-weekly price bar tells us that the market in Bitcoin Cash is trying to go higher. Like literally this 2-weekly price bar, look at the spread. It has traded from the support area of $95 all the way up to $130 in the last 2 weeks. That's pretty good. Now let me show you all the weekly chart. Okay, so yeah, it was a fantastic move the last week right here in Bitcoin Cash, but we saw price close off the highs with a decent amount of volume. So yes, we need confirmation to see buyers still here. That's it. So this is kind of like a wait and see if you're not actually into the move for Bitcoin Cash, to see if the buyers are still interested in moving the market up. So as I do this video, we need to find a support area to let us know that buyers are still interested in moving the markets. Because if they are, then this $128, $129 resistance area is not going to be a problem in the long term. Okay, so here it is right here on the 3-day chart. This is where the selling began into the market in Bitcoin Cash. We concluded it. We started. It even bled over into the last completed 3-day price bar, which is right here. And now you guys can see that we're getting some minor interest and demand coming back into the market in Bitcoin Cash, which lets us know that the buyers are still there. They haven't left just yet. Here it is on the 2-day chart. Okay, so if we see price in Bitcoin Cash hover slightly below $128 and not breaking this ascending line over the next 2-3 days, then yeah, the market is still trying to move up in price. And it might just run up to $140, $135. But still, we understand that the play is still on the table for us to see Bitcoin Cash trend higher. Okay, so as of right now, I'm not saying that the market is a go, but it's not a sell neither. You guys can see here on the 3-hour chart, like just take a look at how the market has been trading. It has found an area to where the buyers and the sellers agree on price. People find that Bitcoin Cash is acceptable at these prices. Like people are willing to buy it and people are willing to sell at these levels. If we hold this, I would say $118, no lower than 116, the market in Bitcoin Cash is still poised to try to go up. Now, will it be successful? Who knows? Like this is all a game of probabilities. But seeing how the market has ingested the price action around 120 to 130, it kind of lets us know that there's still some interest in the market move for Bitcoin Cash as of right now. So yeah, I'm still going to play the strength in the market in Bitcoin Cash, but we had to be cautious. We're trading at resistance. So we should not be massively bullish into how high we think price is going to go. Namely, I'm seeing 124, 126 as the first price target, which may not be much. Okay, it may not be much. So let me go ahead and show you what we got. So for us to go to 124, that's only 2.25%. Let's my first price target, 124. Second one's going to be around 126, which is 3 3/4. Top area is going to be 128, which is only 5.5. 5.5%. 116 is where I want price to hold. That's where I want it to hold. But if they don't, we cannot go no lower than this ascending line. Okay. If they break this ascending line, we'll have to come in and readjust and talk about the market. We already know what it is, but we need to consider how low market is going to go from that point on though. Okay. So this is it. Give me your thoughts. Real quick video. Not expecting too much right now. Out the market in Bitcoin Cash. The buyers are still showing that they're interested in price here, but we still need to see a little bit more confirmation from them. Okay. So let me go ahead and give you all the video, my expectations as to where I suspect market is trying to go. And then it's your turn. The comment section of this video is open to let me know how do you think the price in Bitcoin Cash is going to trend. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.